So put bigger tires on this truck this year, and now I'm paying the price for it because it's a little offline. But I hit it perfect. Well, not perfect obviously the first time, but I at least got it in the rails. See, I don't have I drive up and just take a guess because it all disappears. I can't believe I hit that easy. It's really easy to hook up Plow. Now I've just got to remember if I remember all the controls. And it's a good thing a lot of things are listed right here on it. Lock, unlock. This is how you raise this guy. I was going to try to physically push it because that Plow I have to physically push on. But I think I just hooked the power up and this thing will hook itself up, if I remember correctly. Alright, so now let's get the kickstand out of the way. I don't remember who told me. Oh, here, actually, I'm gonna turn my. I won't turn it off yet. I don't remember who told me, but somebody had given a. I swear, I think it was either. Well, I don't want to mention other channels, so I don't want to piss anybody off. But anyway, somebody had shared a safety thing, and they use Boss plows. And I always, after I heard it, it made total sense to me. Was never work around on your Plow with the Plow up in the air, because especially if there's potential for your feet getting under the blade, because the hydraulics can let go, and obviously that guy's chopping a toe off, or at least crushing it extremely bad. But anyway, so what I was doing, this side kept hooking up correctly and I was a little bit off on this side, and then since I hadn't hooked up and with this thing in so long, I was trying to manhandle. I can't remember what this is called. I'm sure it has an actual name. It's a I was looking on a coupler, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, oh yeah, toe coupler or coupler tower, whatever. Anyway, I was trying to push this up, but what it does is once there's a little pin underneath here, and once your mount hits that, then you can use, you put the Plow and float, hit this, that brings you up and gets this all to snap in and gets these to lock. So, and then I just want to see, my headlights are not on. Doesn't look like it anyway, but this truck has day runners. I'm on. I'll even hit brights and see what that does. I do not have any headlights, so I'm gonna have to order. Looks like I'm gonna have to order some Boss headlights. Geez, these things are only, what is it, LEDs? These things are, I think they're pretty expensive. Huh. Well, there's one thing. That's why we hook up early, to make sure that the world is doing what it's supposed to do. Alright, well, now we know something I need to tackle. I need to get some headlights on those bad boys. This is supposed to be in the down position. It's in the hooked position right now. That's funny. Let's see what we can do here. That's the light cord. I don't know how well this guy's going to cooperate with me. figured it out. So I had the plow turned on the inside. So this arm was raised all the way up like that, and I kept hitting it with the frame. So what happened, this needs to be down like this where I'm hooked. You see how this claw is open? So once I drive in, this will grab under the back of the frame, hook, and it'll draw all this in, but I have to get up close enough to get, I don't know if you can see this or not, I have to get this in here. Alrighty, after many moons of trying to get the old guy hooked up, we got it. I was just having some issues of getting this lined up, and then I was having a problem getting my pins in, but that's because I was over here. As you can see, I was doing a lot of pushing and digging, but we got it. So there we go. There's the 2012 F350 with a 2022, I think, Boss 7-foot Super Duty, or 7.5. Shit, I don't remember, but it's going to be right on the back. Oh yeah, 7.5 Super Duty, and that's an 05 GMC half ton. Oh, that's a 1 ton. That's a 350. Half ton. I have no clue what year the plow is. That's a 7-foot Blizzard plow. The plows are working. That's the main thing. Like I said, this is more of a backup. That's really just a sales rig anymore. But knowing everything's hooked up, it was such a pain to hook that up. I'm almost afraid to unhook it now. I might just hook it, leave it hooked for the duration, and drive either the 250 or that 250, or even the spray rig now that the spray season's over. And I don't know, we'll see what I'm going to do, but the plows are working, and that's the main thing. Thanks for watching, guys.